Hi guys, this is Sam from East Oak Web and Marketing. I'm just here today to show you how to add in new themes to your WordPress website. So here we are at the login for WordPress. Let's just log in right now. Okay, logging in. Okay, here we are at the WordPress dashboard. So here, this is a fresh install, and here you see the WordPress menu on the side. Now I'm going to go to Appearance and click Themes right there. Here we have the themes that are already installed right now, but these are okay, but we want to add in some new ones. So click Add New just here, and these are all the free themes you can get on WordPress. So let's choose one right now. So this one looks nice. So here we can click Preview, and it will show us what the theme will look like. So it's pretty nice. It's got different settings and stuff like that. Okay, that's the menu up there. If you want, you can install it right here, or you can go back and click Install here. Now that's going to install. So it says installing. Sometimes takes a little while. Installed. Awesome. Okay, so it hasn't been activated yet, so we need to activate it. Click here, activate. Boom. Here you see here, this is the theme that's currently activated. Here's the old themes that were also on there before. If you want now, you can go in and customize, but that's how you install a new theme on your website. Thanks for watching.